Hey, what's going on, guys? Vega here from Serpent X Special Forces. This past weekend I had the honor of going out to the Wanna Go Fast half-mile event held at Ocala, and I wasn't able to participate this year. Unfortunately, my car wasn't ready. Even if my car was ready, I wouldn't want to participate, only because there's a few things that I want to get squared away on the car. If you haven't seen it, there's other videos somewhere in the channel where I've been doing different tricks and different modifications to try to get every little bit out. It's not exactly a full-blown race car, but it's definitely capable. It's a decent car, but that's not the point. The footage that I want to show you was recorded, of course, by hand. I don't have the best camera equipment, nor do I have the coordination, I guess, to bring you the best recording possible. I hope one day to achieve that. But as of right now, being a family man and having to take care of priorities, I do not have that capability. I do want to get this channel going, and me being a tech guy by day and an automotive guy by night, I'm kind of mix and matching. So this content that you're about to see is not my normal content, but I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. My cousin who brought out his 2017 Subaru STI was having troubles getting out of the 135 range, and using some gaff tape and sealing some intake vents and trying to maximize, pulling the mirrors in, maximizing the reducing the resistance, air resistance. He was able at the end of the day, and unfortunately I don't have the footage, at the end of the day he did break the 135 mile per hour and was able to hit 137.49. So congrats to him. I know it's not 200 miles an hour, GTR, stuff like that, or a Lambo or twin turbos, Lambos, but it's definitely a fun event. The Wanna Go Fast half-mile event has grown a lot here in the Florida area, so I look forward to next year or the next event. But I'll just leave you with some of this footage, and I hope you guys have a good one, and we'll catch you in the next one. Out here at Wanna Go Fast Florida half-mile shootout. A lot of good cars here. Ferrari back over there in the corner. Porsches, a lot of Mopar, GTRs, Mustangs, Challengers. Whoops. Sorry, I'm walking on tall grass here. Is that a CRX? Yeah, that's a CRX back there. Nice GTR over there. Woo! Get that pop. What was that? Porsche? I think it's spooling to heck. Look at that AMG. Ooh, NSX. Is that one of ours from Jacksonville? It's a lot of good cars out here. I'll see if I could get some good footage. Just wanted to show you all the lineup. Long chain of cars. Cooking them. His tires are warmed up now. You hear the turbos on that thing? Destroyed. Destroyed. Dude, that Audi is booking it. 166.
$164, $142.
Demon Hellcat. Demon went 151, Hellcat 148. GTR 158.95.
That's a tame
What is that? What do you think? 136, 138? Maybe 140? Yeah, 145. That's a nice look. Oh, dude. You gotta go against, no. Go against that Demon? Look at this Mustang coming up too. Oh, dude, that was that sick Audi. There you go. Keep pulling, come on. Keep pulling. He's got him. Right lane, come on. So close, 155. Yeah. I don't even think it's turbo. I think it's just motor. But we'll find out here in a minute.
All motor K20 is like 400. Yeah, his cars are going.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that CRX go. He's pulling on him.
Yeah. Pull the shoe. What they got? What does he get? How fast?
Oh, come on. 143 GTR. 111.
111 though.
153, right? 151 left. Come on, Merc. Come on, Merc. 145 for the Merc. You got a pretty good rhythm going. $149, $138. GTR 154, 144. Oh, nice. You know you're gonna get dusted, right? Come on, man, get him. He's pulling.
Got him. Spanked him.
177. 177? That's the highest so far I've seen. Here you go, Suad.
It's a 10 seconds. This gonna be on.
He let out.
He let out.
He let out. present Ben's in the Subi. Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. $135.